Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my room. So my room's been in need of a good vacuum for a bit. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be deep cleaning my room, you know, doing things like I've got laundry, got some stuff to put away, gotta make my bed. But yeah, we're just gonna do all that today. So let's go get to it. So I'm gonna go through, show you just a few of the things that I need to get done. We got my front door here. Here's a mess, and then that. My bathroom's over there. This little record wall, I'm working on it, needs to be finished. Bed needs to be made. I'll put this the way I was using it. And then there's this section. There's my closet. And then there's this, my little clutter zone, because I just filmed a haul. And then laundry. So first I'm going to work on just the basic like cleaning, putting things where it belongs. And then I'm going to go actually like clean surfaces and vacuum the floor. I think I'm going to move this ladder out. I was using it to do the records, but I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to move that out. Okay, I'm going to clean the bed now because once you make the bed, the room's going to look like 10 times better because that's like half the room right there. Now that the bed's clean, let's do some laundry. Okay, the closet's fully done. That's all I really needed to do. It looks great. Like, it looks the same as it did when I did my little closet declutter, makeover, whatever it was video. You can watch it. It'll be linked in the corner. Honestly, I actually do want to... This shelf right here was supposed to be my filming shelf for everything that I needed to film. And it currently has just like a bunch of random stuff here. So I want to move that and then be able to put like my haul here because I still have to film the outfit pics. So, you know, I'll do that and then that's the last thing in the closet. This is all stuff that I have that I've gotten for whatever reason and I've never opened or used. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway sometime eventually. So yeah, that might happen. Perfect. Oh, there's also these. I don't know what to do with this. I could stick it here. Yep, we're sticking it there for now. These. I think I have a spot on my shoe rack. Yes, I do. So let's make this look pretty. Okay. Here's kind of a spot. They don't really fit, but I'm going to keep those there for now. And then the black ones, I have a spot for somewhere else. Here's my little wall of black boots. And then these should fit right here. Oh yes, perfect. And the closet is officially done. Okay, next I'm going to take things that don't belong in my room, like this hammer, this leveler, this alcohol, and I think that is it. And I'm going to put them in that basket, which I literally just did, and I'm going to take them out of my room. Okay, before I do that, even though I just did that, I still need the hammer. Oh wait, I need to hang up this calendar. It used to hang right exactly there, but I decided to do a record wall, so now I can't put it there. So the next best place for it is right here. I made it a little off center, but it's fine. All right, let's put this back. Also, this doesn't permanently stay there. I always move it whenever I'm filming, but I kind of like it there, just in the meantime. Okay, let's move to the floor for a second. So first, gotta pick up all them dog toys. There's usually much more than this, but as you can see, that is all that there is at the moment. Okay, let's finally move on to this table. It had clothes on it originally. Those were the ones that I put in the closet. These are remaining records that I'm gonna put on this wall. I actually ran out of the little this stuff poster stickers, so I'll get those later and hang them up. Probably not in this video, but for now, these can go right exactly where they were. Oh, actually this can go in my video section. So let's put it there, if it'll fit. Or we can just stick it here. And then these can go there too, just to get them out of the way. Here's my desk, vanity section. It's mainly just a desk that happens to have a mirror in front of it. These I'm still deciding whether or not I want to keep. So those can go in my bathroom because that's where they belong. And then this is a return I want to make. I'll do that tomorrow. So in the meantime, it's gonna stay there. Okay, it looks great on the outside besides this coupon. I'll just stick those in a purse. Beautiful. Yes, I know, thank you. And then this has got to go. This can go in my closet. I'll put it on a hanger and then hang it up. I'm selling this, so... Okay, and then this, I don't know what to do with this. I think I'm just gonna stick it in my attic or something, or in my closet. And then I don't want this, so I'm gonna get rid of it, I think. Okay, so unfortunately, another thing that I have to do is I have to take this off of my bed because this little miss likes to chew it, and she's broken it and chewed up like the power cord thing, so it doesn't work anymore. So I have to take it off of my bed, and so I'm kind of sad about that, but it was free, so it's not that big of a deal. Here's the rest of it. Okay, now I'm gonna take a break, but I'm gonna go on a run because I'm actually filming a video where I run a mile every day for a month. So that's coming soon. See you once I'm done. Okay, I am back, and now I have little command strips so I can hang up the records on the wall. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I only have a few records and record covers, album covers left. So I'll probably go there. I just find them at Goodwill for really cheap, and I'll probably get just a few more because this is like the area we need to cover. So I'm just gonna do like right up there a few. And then the reason I had this in my room is because you're supposed to clean the surface before putting on the sticky tab. So I'm going to decide which side I like best and then flip it over and clean the very top portion of it. So I'm going to do that on each one and clean them all. Okay, that is all that I can do at the moment with what I have. I'll finish that another day once I get the rest of the records that I need for this. Okay, now to vacuum the floor. Is this a terrible angle? Probably. We're gonna see how well this works. Okay. don't think it works with the gray. Let me know what y'all think. I think I'm just gonna roll it back up. This was my rug that I got to use in my LA like little apartment thing. So I was gonna put it in here, but it doesn't look that great. Taya likes it though. She says it smells like a lot of things. Beautiful. Here's my final room. First, the closet. I know, anticlimactic because we didn't change much, but so closet, it's the same. If you want to see what my closet actually looks like, go watch my decluttering, cleaning out closet video. It'll be in the icon in the corner. And then here's my backdrop wall. The wall stayed the same. Now we have a calendar right here. And then there's my mirror. That stayed the same, it's just cleaner. We got the toy basket. The bed, Taya's sleeping on it. She does that a lot. She's so precious. And then here we have my record wall. It still has to be completed. I'm gonna get more records to put like there and then down there. But that's for another video or another day. I probably won't even film it. Actually, I'm filming an IG story for this. So if you want to see this be completed, follow my Instagram. It'll be pop up on the screen and it'll be in the description. And then the shoe rack is the same. We got Taya's food and water dish. This is Taya's bed. And then over here is my another backdrop wall for filming outfit pics, or you've seen it. You know what I do with it. And I just tied it in a knot to vacuum, but I actually kind of like it because it makes the room feel more open. And then also, as you've seen, I left the rug. I know it's kind of weird to put a rug literally on top of a carpet, but I had this rug already and I wanted to find a use for it. I thought it would like add some dimensions to the room and make it look less bland and boring. So I'm gonna keep it there because I already moved it underneath those things and I don't want to take it out. I still have to push it under this, but I don't feel like doing that. Just ignore that. Beautiful, right? Also, I need to vacuum this, but that's for another day. And then I didn't show the bathroom in this video, and that is perfectly fine because I'm doing a bathroom remodel video, and you'll see everything in there. It'll probably be one of my next videos. It's completely done. I just need to clean it and then film the final shots. So that is my entire room, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, let me know if you want like an in-depth room tour, because I at one point was planning on doing that and then I filmed this video and now it seems irrelevant, but if you still want to see it, I'll definitely do it. But anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching my cleaning, organizing, redecorating-ish my room. Anyway, subscribe if you like this so that you can see more videos like it. And I post twice a week, every single week, so stay tuned for my next video and I'll see you all next time. Bye!